What if a city wasn't designed around roads, but around people?
This is the vision behind one of the world's most ambitious urban projects.
Today, this vision is still being built. What you're looking at is not a movie set.
This is one of the largest construction projects ever attempted by humanity.
Its footprint is so vast, it can only be understood from the sky. But why would anyone build a city in the middle of the desert? The construction is real. The vision is extraordinary. This is the story of NEOM and the engineering behind one of...
Hidden beneath the Saudi desert, the world's most ambitious city is rising faster than anyone imagined.
This single project is so large that it can be seen from space-scale satellite imagery, with construction stretching for kilometers.
Billions of dollars in advanced engineering are transforming empty desert into a city designed for millions of future residents. Every section is engineered with millimeter precision to create one of the most ambitious urban developments ever attempted.
And this is only the beginning. What happens next requires some of the largest machines, the deepest excavations, and the most advanced construction methods.
Before a futuristic city could rise, millions of cubic meters of rock and sand had to be moved with extraordinary precision.
Moving the Earth is a construction project of its own, requiring non-stop logistics across the desert.
Every foundation begins with accuracy, because even the smallest error can grow across a project of this scale. Layer by layer, the desert is transformed into stable ground, capable of supporting future infrastructure. With the ground prepared, the first permanent foundations mark the beginning of a city designed for the future.
Keep it flowing. Steady pour there. Vibrators in tight around the rebar. Watch the level, looking good.
Every section is carefully tested before construction can move forward. Proceed slowly, keep a wide berth.
10 meters ahead and stop.
Verified, hooks are ready.
Hold tension. Check alignment now.
Clear on the left. Bring it in slowly.
Locking pins ready. Secure it now.
Every connection is inspected before the structure can continue rising. Thousands of workers and machines operate together like a single coordinated system. A constant supply of concrete keeps construction moving without interruption. Every delivery is carefully timed to match the pace of construction.
The foundations continue expanding, preparing the ground for the next stage of construction.
The desert is changing day by day, but this is only the beginning of one of history's most ambitious engineering projects.
Long before buildings appear, an invisible city is built beneath the surface. The alignment is confirmed.
Proceed with the lowering.
Verified.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Looking good. Drop it down slowly. Welding up top.
Supplying concrete at this scale requires an industrial operation of its own.
Every structural element begins with carefully engineered reinforcement.
Move it over to the right.
Watch the spacing here.
A carefully coordinated logistics network keeps every construction zone supplied.
Every lift demands perfect coordination between operators and engineers. What was once open desert is steadily transforming into a vast construction landscape.
Alignment check good. Move to section 3.
Confirmed. Tightening now.
Status green on the laser scan.
While the world sleeps,
Construction continues, bringing this unprecedented mega project closer to reality. The readings are good.
Affirmative. Launching the drone for verification now.
Every stage is measured repeatedly to keep construction aligned across an enormous site.
Some components are so large that every lift becomes a carefully choreographed operation. Many structural components are manufactured with extreme precision before reaching the desert. Moving giant components across the site requires careful planning and perfect timing.
Piece by piece, the framework begins to define the city's future form.
Construction advances on many fronts at the same time to keep the project moving forward.
Hold, steady, move it right, just a fraction. Copy. Slowing descent. Guide rope secure. Lowering now. The alignment and torque values are looking good here. So, confirmed on the tablet. Looks like we're ready to approve this section.
From above, the true scale of the engineering effort becomes impossible to ignore.
For this mega project, the work doesn't stop when the sun goes down. It continues around the clock.
Not every part of the landscape can simply be leveled. Some mountains must be carefully carved to make way for the project. Each borehole is positioned with precision to prepare the next stage of excavation.
Safety procedures come before every major excavation operation.
Controlled excavation allows engineers to reshape challenging terrain while protecting nearby operations.
Once the rock is removed, construction can continue toward the next section.
Excavated material must be moved continuously to keep progress on schedule.
Much of the excavated rock can be processed and reused in construction. Recycling material on site reduces transport and supports efficient construction.
Each completed section brings the larger vision one step closer.
Beyond these mountains lies the next engineering challenge: building the hidden infrastructure beneath the city.
Beneath the desert, another city is taking shape. One few people will ever see.
Powerful excavation equipment gradually creates the underground pathways needed for future infrastructure. Every meter of progress creates thousands of tons of material that must be removed efficiently.
Line it up, easy, lower. Looks good, check the seal, bolt it. Secure. Secure it, moving forward. Clear.
The underground network continues to expand beneath the future city.
Critical utility systems are installed with careful attention to alignment and reliability.
Keep it steady, mind the alignment. Hold it there, that's good, now secure it. Verify the spacing here, looks correct.
Safety and environmental systems are integrated into every section of the underground network. Hidden beneath the surface, an extensive network supports everything built above it. With the hidden infrastructure taking shape below, construction above can rise even higher. Many of the city's largest building components are manufactured inside highly automated facilities. Every structural element begins with carefully engineered steel reinforcement. Automation helps produce large structural components with consistent precision. Controlled curing helps every component achieve its required performance before installation. Each component is inspected before it leaves the factory. Transporting these oversized components requires specialized equipment and careful coordination. An extensive logistics network keeps construction supplied around the clock.
Every delivery is timed to fit seamlessly into the construction schedule.
Precision installation is essential when working with components of this size.
With the first major structural modules in place, the project is ready to rise to an entirely new scale. A project of this scale depends on a constant global flow of materials arriving by sea.
Keep it steady, down slow, watch the clearance.
Clear!
Engage brakes on transporter.
Every shipment is sorted, inspected, and scheduled before continuing inland.
Moving oversized components safely requires detailed planning and precise coordination.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance.
Hook coming down! Mind the beam!
Setting down the concrete, clear the path.
Supporting construction requires an entire industrial ecosystem operating alongside the project.
Automation helps manage the enormous flow of materials needed every day. A continuous supply chain ensures every construction team has the materials it needs.
Behind every new structure lies an immense logistics network, connecting sea, road, and construction site. With the supply chain firmly in place, attention now turns to the advanced technologies shaping the future of this mega project.
Large renewable energy projects are planned to help power the region's future development. Reliable power distribution is essential for large-scale construction and future communities. Substations help distribute electricity across expanding infrastructure networks.
Fresh water systems are an essential part of supporting development in arid regions.
Transporting water across long distances requires carefully engineered infrastructure.
Storage and distribution systems help maintain a reliable water supply.
Least. Wind energy is another renewable resource being developed across parts of Saudi Arabia.
Together, these utility systems are designed to support large-scale development. Infrastructure and construction advance together as the project continues to evolve.
The engineering story doesn't end with construction. It continues with the long-term vision for what this region may become.
Today, large-scale construction continues across multiple areas of the NEOM development. The camera follows a convoy moving toward another active worksite.
Thousands of engineers and construction workers coordinate every stage of the project.
Progress depends on thousands of coordinated tasks taking place every day.
According to the project's vision, these construction sites are intended to evolve into entirely new urban districts. Whether the full vision is ultimately realized will depend on years of continued engineering, investment, and construction. Even after years of work, this represents only part of a much larger long-term development. Every new phase begins with careful measurement and detailed planning.
As one construction area advances, preparation begins in the next.
Projects of this scale combine engineering, logistics, and long-term planning on an extraordinary level. The story of NEOM is still being written, and its final chapter remains in the future.
Every new day brings another step forward in one of the world's most ambitious construction projects.
The plan calls for reinforcing that eastern section. We'll need to adjust the crane's position. Check the surveying markers before we proceed.
From earthmoving to infrastructure, every stage contributes to the larger engineering effort. The long-term vision continues to evolve as construction progresses over time.
Before the first light reaches the desert, another day of construction is already underway.
Every sunrise marks another chapter in a project measured not in days, but in decades. Behind every milestone are thousands of people applying skill, precision, and teamwork. From excavation to infrastructure, each stage contributes to a project of remarkable scale. The completed vision remains a long-term ambition that will unfold over many years. For now, the story is defined by engineering, construction, and steady progress.
When daylight ends, the work continues beneath the lights.
The future of NEOM will be shaped over many years. For now, the story is one of ambition, engineering, and the people building